Nestled in Yingqi town, the vibrant cloud computing hub in Hangzhou's beautiful Xihu district, stands STAR.VISION, a visionary in space computing. With nearly 70% of its workforce devoted to research and development, STAR.VISION is redefining the frontiers of space technology. Here, innovation meets ambition. STAR.VISION brought its expertise to the Sultanate of Oman.
And China's STAR.VISION signed cooperation agreement to launch Omani artificial intelligence model into space.
STAR.VISION partnered with Sudan Kaabul's University and the local government on date palm tree counting and vessel detection, with the university logo featured on its AI satellite. Building on this foundation, in May 2023, STAR.VISION partnered with Mars Development and Investment to establish Oman Lens, the Sultanate's first satellite company, paving the way for Oman Lens-1, Oman's first AI-powered satellite. Designed in China, Oman Lens-1 showcased STAR.VISION's cutting-edge technology, featuring its advanced string AI computing unit and top-tier components from leading Chinese suppliers. Oman Lens-1 debuted at the Middle East Space Conference 2024, with Oman Lens signing AI agreements at COMEX 2024 to expand its MENA presence. The satellite underwent rigorous assembling and testing to ensure its readiness to endure the harshness of space, embodying STAR.VISION's commitment to excellence. Throughout the year, STAR.VISION hosted Oman Lens technical team, providing immersive, hands-on training with industry-leading experts. The Omani team gained in-depth knowledge of satellite engineering, learning to navigate complex systems and AI integration techniques, critical for satellite functionality, contributing directly to the design, assembling, and testing of Oman's first AI-powered satellite, developing skills that would anchor Oman's future in aerospace. In 2024, Omani delegations visited STAR.VISION to witness the satellite manufacturing process, leaving heartfelt messages for their nation's pioneering AI satellite. In just 4 months, the ground station and operations center of Oman Lens was completed, equipped with advanced technology for seamless satellite communication, data processing, and real-time monitoring. With every test completed, the satellite stood ready to embark on its cosmic journey. In November 2024, Oman Lens-1, Oman's first satellite registered with the ITU, was successfully launched, marking a historic milestone witnessed by ambassadors from China and Oman. STAR.VISION and Oman Lens proudly celebrated this achievement together. Today, the Oman Lens-1 satellite orbits Earth, carrying Oman's flag. As STAR.VISION, we are proud to support Oman's journey into space.